Hi, I'm going to show you how to access your writing and exit ticket activities. So when you're in Canvas, you're going to come down here and it says writing assignment. You'll click on this link and it will take you to the assignment. You can see written instructions and hear the instructions, and then you're going to come down and you're going to select this picture, and it's going to open up and it's going to let you work on it. So what I want you to do is draw a picture of how you get to school. So to do that, you're going to come up to the tools. There's a little line right here, and you're going to click on it, and then down at the bottom it says scribble. You're going to select that. Now you can either use your mouse or you can use, if you have a touch screen, your finger. So I'm going to use my touch screen, but I get to school in a car. So I'm going to draw a car. That. And then I'm going to come back and draw. You've got to come back and let's see. Choose it again. Draw a tire. And I'm going to draw another tire. And I'm going to draw a window. There's my car. Now, whenever you're done, you're going to be able to still be in Canvas, and there's going to be a little share button, and you're going to be able to click the share button. Okay? Now, the other assignment that I want to show you is whenever you're done with that, you're going to move down to the exit ticket. You're going to click on this link. It says, I go to school by, and what have you been telling me and writing about? I've been writing about a car, a truck, a van, a bus, or walking. You just click on one, and then you hit submit. Okay, now send it to me.